Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see how to create Zoho WorkDrive account. It's very simple. What is new? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start on my Mac screen. So first of all, just simply open Google, type here Zoho Work account. So first link is display here, Zoho Work account. Similar kind of same Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive, or similar kind of same Zoho WorkDrive. Just simply click here Zoho, and here welcome to Sangram Singh. I already created Zoho Mail. How to create Zoho Mail? I already make a video as well. You should watch this video available on same playlist. Here Zoho WorkDrive. If I click here access Zoho WorkDrive, and afterwards you just give your team name. So I just simply type here Tech Research and then create your team. WorkDrive comes here for the specific on business. I just simply give here email address, type here researchrocks zohomail.eu. this is the admin, or you just simply provide here different participate as well. So your other team members and big and bulky team members, here comes bulky invitation. You just copy and paste here all types of email address. Not really require all email address comes in Zoho Mail. You just simply use Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo invitation as separately. So I just simply see here in my Zoho Mail. So I'm receiving the email related on Zoho, the creating and WorkDrive. So this is the my WorkDrive. You can download the application also for the WorkDrive desktop, App Store and Android Play Store as well. And if you want get premium or extra services, so you can request as a book demo, request quote and contact as a customer care. Afterwards you just very easily upload here the pictures as well. So for example, I upload here pictures. You can upload here pictures, project related data or different other data as well. This is the your WorkDrive, similar kind of same Google Drive as well. Here the upgrade option is also available. If you want purchase some extra space, so here upgrade option is available here. How much monthly you need to pay here. This is my WorkDrive account. So here all the information is available. Recent file, favorite, labels, share with me, share with others, collect with. You just simply upload here the pictures as well, record here screen, video and audio recording options is also available. You should use these features. Here upload like a folder wise, Zoho Word, Zoho Excel, Zoho PPT presentation is also available. You can link WorkDrive for other email address or other person, so you can very easily switch to like a business trial option is also available here. You want to upgrade something, so here all the performance options is available. You want download simply any application, you just simply scan this QR code and application is download. Here the thumbnail wise is showing here the list, put it here more data, so accordingly like upload files, upload folders or import from cloud, so option is available here. If I select here upload, like suppose for example I just simply upload here some of the files of my this. One is a doc file, one is PDF file, and afterwards I can access this one as well. So if I select here, copy option is also available. You want download, the download option is also available. You can download this file any of the places. Share option is also available. You want share something, so suppose for example I just simply share this file researchrocks9@gmail.com. so I just simply share this file. Yes, I share and share successfully. I just simply open here again my email address and let's see I'm receiving this file or not. So look at this here, Zoho WorkDrive. I'm receiving this file, view this file. It's really secure platform. So we receive the OTP here, view the file, and look at this. View the files. I can download this file as well here. No need third party using Zoho features like a Zoho WorkDrive, Zoho Mail, no matter. You just simply upload here your data and share some different platforms as well. Anyone can very easily access your data, which data you share someone as a different platform as well. So this is the very simple process to create WorkDrive coming from Zoho platform. If you have any question related on Zoho platform, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.